Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious breakfast burritos. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our potatoes. To our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to be adding our 3 medium-diced potatoes. And I'm just going to season with garlic, salt, and black pepper. And now we're just going to cook our potatoes for 8 minutes. Make sure to mix them around constantly. After 8 minutes, this is what our potatoes should look like. So now we're going to be adding half an onion, 1 jalapeno, and 2 Roma tomatoes. Mix it. Just allow us to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're just going to move the potatoes to the side. And here we're going to be adding 12 ounces of shaved ribeye steak. Going to be adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. For our spices, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper, half a teaspoon of ancho powder, a pinch of oregano, cumin, ginger, and cinnamon. So add it all to the meat. And now we're just going to begin to mix it and break it down. And now we're just going to allow our meat to cook. Okay, after 5 minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. Here you can taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. Now we're just going to move it to the side. And I'm going to be adding my eggs. So I'm just going to begin to scramble them. And just cook it all together. Okay, and after a few minutes, our eggs should be fully cooked and our filling is ready. So now we can get ready to make our burritos. Okay, so I'm going to be warming up my flour tortilla. Okay, once we have that, now we can get ready to put our burrito together. Okay, so I'm going to begin by spreading my refried beans. I'm going to be adding a mixture of queso Oaxaca and cheddar cheese. I'm going to top it with our delicious filling. I'm going to be adding some avocado. Okay, so now we're just going to grab the ends and get ready to close it. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious burrito. So now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. Under 20 minutes, you have a delicious burrito. Of course, you can always enjoy it with your favorite salsa. Here I have my green one. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So delicious, so flavorful, so filling. Perfect way to start your day. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious breakfast burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.